All right, today we're going to be doing air fried zucchini. Right now, we're bringing it up to 405 degrees. It's going to be air fried. Put the light on so we can see when it's time to put it in there. It's going to be delicious. So she puts it in here first, and then she's going to spray it. It's avocado oil, by the way. See that? You don't want to. You want to take the paper out. You don't want to leave the paper in there. Uh-oh. So we're going to take this, and I think we're going to be putting it in here. And how many pieces we're going to make? I don't know.
2 or 3 more of these.
Probably a lot.
But thinking they might be good.
Well, I know one thing's for sure. I will eat a lot of it.
Yeah.
It's like my favorite thing. Wow, you did not fool around. You got a lot. Okay, so we got a lot. We got this. Now we need a thing to put this in once we roll it in
Well,
this.
it only fits in those 2 pans, so I have to do them in sections.
All right, so these pans,
Huh?
put them right over here.
Ow.
Or I'll just run right into you. Okay, now we're talking. Now we got to switch those two. Oh no, we're just going to do it like this, I guess. Oh, interesting.
I don't know.
So no egg batter with these bad boys. We could use the...
I'm going to use 2.
All right, it's ready. It's ready. The Nuwave is ready. Should I go over there and set it again?
Sure. I mean, I had it going for a while, so
Oh, so it should be pretty hot.
it should be hot.
All right. Okay, that looks good.
I feel like
All right, now we got to put them on the plates.
it's not sticking great with the stuff. You know what I mean? It's a lot of loose. Although you don't want a lot. It had me do too much, I think.
Okay, here we go. I would just reach in and grab a bunch of them.
Well, I wasn't going to pull a lot of the stuff on there.
And then you could just put some of the stuff on after.
Well, yeah.
You know what I mean?
And you need some room.
I think you can get 1 or 2 more in there. And now you could just grab some of that, whatever that is, and just sprinkle it on there. If you want, you don't have to. You know what I mean, Jelly Bean? Or we could do this one.
Yeah, it had me make way too much.
That's okay, I'll eat it all. This
No,
I'll eat
not
myself.
That, honey. The panko and the breadcrumbs I
Oh.
wasted. And I used some Parm cheese.
That's why I don't trust ChatGPT, because it lies to you. Because it's in cahoots with the food companies.
I can totally get them all on, I think.
Look at that, you got them all. All right, now just put that stuff on top. Just squish it, yeah, that's
One
it.
more.
Oh, one more? Oh, shoot. All right, you got it.
All right, now I'm going to spray
And then put this on. We got a lot left.
I know. I'm going to spray a little so it sticks to it.
Okay.
And then put it on. Otherwise, it just falls out. You
All
know?
right, spray.
Go like this.
So she's putting them all with the flesh side up.
I feel like this
And the
is
skin
way I should
side
do it,
down.
you know?
Okay, let's do it. Be judicious.
No, because you don't want it to get like soggy either.
Didn't quite catch that, did you? Yeah. Yes. Yes.
Hope it works. Good time again.
All right, here we go. Okay. So they're in there. We're going to check them in 15 minutes. And hopefully they'll be delicious. So what shall I set it for again? I'm going to go on. I'm going to go to menu. Then I'm going to go to air fry. And then I've got to hit temperature. And then I'm going to pop it up to 405 for 15 minutes. And we'll just press here and that starts it. And bam, put the light back on so we can look. There we go, lights on. Right now we're rocking. So we're at 405, 15 minutes, air fry. Bam, Bob's your uncle. What are you doing?
Switch because you should only really have they cook unevenly.
Be careful now, be careful. Oh my gosh. I don't know, man. I think that needs a lot more cooking.
You know what? I feel like they should be brown. I'm just gonna wait.
Should we wait? We'll just wait for the whole 7 minutes and then do it.
I'll just take it all over.
All right, we're down to about a couple seconds, and
So that's getting brown now. So now I'm almost ready to turn them over.
okay. All right, do you want me
I
to?
should turn them over now.
Do you want me to do it for? Set it for another.
Hold on.
You want me to set it for another 15 minutes? I'm just going to go ahead and get it going, and that way we can. I'm just going to go ahead and start it.
No, I'm gonna turn them. I'm gonna.
Yeah, I just want to keep the thing hot.
Right.
All right, so we're going to put them over here to turn them. Here's those. There's one. Now we need a fork.
This is gonna take. Actually,
I think a fork
I'm
would
gonna
be
have you
quicker.
do it too.
I think it would be
So I
quicker
can
with
get
a
them in
fork.
quickly. No, because you have to pick them and turn them, and a fork you can't.
No, you just go like this. Look. Try not to burn yourself. All right, so you want me to flip all of them?
Turn them all over.
Okay, I'm gonna flip them all. I'll probably put them back in. All right, it's done.
Well, choice, but let's say, just for the sake of argument, and they don't send it to him, then they can start pulling all that shit and refusing to let the post office can stop mailing
Oh my
ballots.
God, I
to
can't
those
even
people.
stand it.
What do you think? Oh yeah, they look good. All right, let's try one. Here we go. Good.